Hello, good evening and welcome. You're watching Election Premier League on Times Now. I'm Sagarika Mitra, and in West Bengal, where phase 1 of polling is set to take place on the 23rd, there is one word that's dominating the discourse. What is that? It's Jhalmuri. So a simple Jhalmuri stop has sparked a full-blown political firestorm in the poll-bound state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during a high-voltage campaign in Jhargram, made an unplanned pit stop at a roadside stall. He interacted with the vendor. He bought Jhalmuri for 10 rupees and the video quickly went viral. For many, it was a moment of connect where the Prime Minister was engaging with a common citizen so effortlessly.
अपना झालमुरी खिलाओ। हाँ, अच्छे वाला कितने का होता है?
10-20।
हाँ, जो भी है बना दो। हाँ,
झालमुरी खाएंगे?
खाएंगे, बिल्कुल खाएंगे। तो कितना 10 रुपए देना है?
दुकान में आए सर।
हाँ, 10 रुपए देना है। नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं।
प्याज खाते हैं आप?
हाँ,
प्याज खाते हैं?
आप प्याज खाते हैं, दिमाग नहीं खाते बस। अपना झालमुरी खिलाओ। हाँ, अच्छे वाला कितने का होता है?
10-20।
हाँ, जो भी है बना दो। हाँ,
झालमुरी खाएंगे?
खाएंगे, बिल्कुल खाएंगे। तो कितना 10 रुपए देना है?
दुकान में आए सर।
हाँ, 10 रुपए देना है। नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं।
प्याज खाते हैं आप?
हाँ,
प्याज खाते हैं?
आप प्याज खाते हैं, दिमाग नहीं खाते बस।
And it's West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee who has taken a sharp swipe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his Jhalmuri pit stop. Mamta Banerjee is mocking the Prime Minister. She's questioning whether he even carries 10 rupees in his pocket, and then goes on to say that the entire interaction was staged. It was nothing but optics, something that the Prime Minister had planned. Listen in.
কালকে মাইক পিট করে দোকানে ঝালমুড়ি এসপিজিকে দিয়ে তৈরি করিয়ে 10 টাকা কখনো পকেটে থাকে ওনার? কত নাটক! নির্বাচনের সময় গুহাতে গিয়ে বসে থাকেন, কখনো নির্বাচনের সময় বলে আমি চায়ওয়ালা, 10 টাকা বের করে ঝালমুড়ি খাচ্ছে। বুঝুন, সেই ঝালমুড়িটাও নিজেদেরই তৈরি করা। আর যদি তৈরি করা না হবে তাহলে দোকানের ক্যামেরা ফিট আগের থেকে ছিল কি করে? জিজ্ঞাসা করুন। সব নাটক, মানুষ বোঝে না।
So Mamta Banerjee, Rajesh, has, slammed the Prime Minister. She's called that entire moment, which quickly went viral on social media, Prime Minister's Jhalmuri snack break. She's called it drama. Then she also said that possibly the Jhalmuri was prepared well in advance and everything that happened was scripted, and that the Prime Minister only does what he does for optics. But it is about the Adivasi vote that has also taken center stage, because apart from what the Chief Minister of Bengal says, it is the TMC that made another serious allegation. Take our viewers through what the TMC said.
See, Mamta Banerjee has strongly criticized the entire act of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, how he had Jhalmuri in Jhargram amid his campaign for BJP candidates. TMC has been alleging that that was scripted because Mamta Banerjee is now coming up with another allegation that the camera was fitted inside the shop and there was a microphone which was fitted before Prime Minister Narendra Modi reaches over there, and the Jhalmuri which Prime Minister Narendra Modi had at the stall in Jhargram. As per Mamta Banerjee's version, she is now claiming that Jhalmuri was prepared with the help of SPG. And Mamta Banerjee has also raised the question how the camera was already installed inside the shop and microphone was also fitted in the shop. So this is how TMC is now questioning that entire act of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and TMC has already blamed Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but by this act, Soren and his wife were not allowed to fly their chopper to Jhargram for their campaign, which was already scheduled.
So
they were scheduled to
moment,
land.
Rajesh, has been turned into a full-blown political firestorm in West Bengal. The Trinamool Congress, thank you so much Rajesh for breaking down those details. So while Mamta Banerjee says it was drama, everything was staged, cameras and mics were already placed, so there was nothing natural about it. The Trinamool Congress has alleged that during the same time when the Prime Minister had extended his stay in Jhargram for the Jhalmuri pit stop, the chopper of Hemant Soren and Kalpana Soren was not allowed to land in Jhargram. So the Trinamool Congress says that the two leaders were kept waiting for hours and eventually were forced to return to Ranchi without completing their program. The Trinamool Congress is now calling this an insult to Adivasi leaders, and it has also accused the BJP of prioritizing photo ops over the rights of democratically elected leaders.
So behind the simple act of Jhalmuri, the anti-Adivasi mindset of Prime Minister Modi and BJP was at play. Unbelievable that the Honorable Prime Minister can stoop so low to stop other people from campaigning, especially an Adivasi from campaigning, just because he was having Jhalmuri.
So far, neither has Hemant Soren nor has Kalpana Soren said anything about the Trinamool Congress's allegations. But look at the larger implication. The TMC is saying this act has exposed the Adivasi Virodi mindset. Why is the Adivasi vote so important? Let's explain that to our viewers. There are about 53 lakh Adivasi voters in the state, which makes up about 5.8% of the population of West Bengal. But more importantly, this vote is geographically concentrated in key districts of Jhargram, of Purulia, of Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar, Dakshin Dinajpur, Paschim Mednipur and also Bankura. Now, these are regions that directly influence multiple assembly seats, which goes on to mean that in a close contest, this is not just a vote bank. It is a swing factor that can tip the balance of power. Now, let's look at what the results in the previous elections were in the ST seats. Let's actually take that across and let's explain that graphically to our viewers, that what was the result like in 2021 elections when it comes to the ST seats. Let's explain. So here, we are also now going to tell you about the tribal vote factor in battleground Bengal. In 2016, Trinamool Congress got about 52% of the tribal vote and BJP got 9% of that vote. But cut to 2021 and look at the difference. Look at how the tribal vote increased dramatically for the BJP. When it got about 9% in 2016, it increased to 26% in 2021, and the Trinamool Congress got 42% of the tribal vote. Now let's explain the other fact. Why is the BJP eyeing the tribal vote? Because look at the numbers. Women vote here also holds key, because when it comes to gender, men, out of the tribal vote, men, how do they vote? For TMC, 36% men voted for the Trinamool Congress in the tribal belt itself, and for BJP, that number was more. It was 54%. Then, when it comes to women, 49% voted for the Trinamool Congress in the previous election, and when it comes to for the BJP, that number was lesser. It is 38%. That is why the tribal vote matters in the state of West Bengal. And with that, we're going to shift our focus